Here's how to fix the black and white grayscale screen on your iPhone. Now let's first just head into the settings here. And from settings, we're going to scroll down and tap on accessibility under general. From here, we're going to scroll down a little bit again, and you can see display and text size. Let's tap on that. And now we're going to scroll down. What you're looking for is color filters. So towards the bottom, tap on color filters. And you can see grayscale is selected. Now, if I switch to a different color scale or filter, you'll be able to see it changes the colors of them as well. But I can always just disable this by turning this off. And essentially all of the colors on your iPhone will just go back to the normal colors. Keep in mind, if you do have grayscale turned on, you can also just change the intensity at the very bottom if you wanted to adjust that intensity. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below. Really helps me out. Thanks, guys.